Now we come to question number 8. From solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is cut out, is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of remaining solid to nearest centimeter square. See here. Here is the cylinder with height 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter. A cone is cut out with same diameter of the base and same height. Then this cone will be cut out. Now one surface we will get inside the cylinder, that is in the form of curved surface area of cone. One surface inside this cylinder after cutting out of cone we will get in the shape of cone, and the other surface area is that of the curved surface area of cylinder plus the surface area of the circle on the upper part. These are the three surfaces that we will get after cutting out the cone. Then the total surface area of the remaining solid will be equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus surface area of the top of the cylinder, that is circle, that is equal to pi rl plus 2 pi rh plus pi r square. See here, L we will have to find out, because here L is not given, then L we will have to find out. L square is equal to h square plus r square. By this Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to h square plus r square. R is 1.4 by 2 because diameter was 1.4 and h is 2.4 given. Now after solving this we get L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the total surface area. We will apply the formula and put the values. From here, see here, from here we get pi r common. Inside we get L plus 2h plus r. Pi r is common, 2.5 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7, and after solving we get 17.6 centimeter square as the total surface area of the solid. Now we come to the next question, question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping solid cylinder by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. See here, the height of this whole cylinder is 10 centimeter. From the upper part one hemisphere is cut out, from the lower part one hemisphere is cut out of radius 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter is the radius of the cylinder also. Now we have to find the total surface of the article. Total surface of the article will be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of upper hemisphere and curved surface area of lower hemisphere, because here we will get a surface area in the form of hemisphere. Here also we will get a surface area in the form of hemisphere. Now it will be equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, then h plus r, 2 pi r into h plus 2r. Now we will put the values. After putting the values we solve it and we get it equal to 374 centimeter square. This is the question number 9. This is the question number 9. And here is the question number 8 also. See, this is question number 8. This is 8.